Welcome to Symphony. Presenting the world's first universal packaged air cooler. In this video, we will show you how to assemble the bottom discharge machine. There are 4 cartons of components required for the assembly process. First, open the box containing the top and bottom parts of the cooler. Now take out the fan blade carefully. Now unbox the parts of the motor. Remove the packaging materials from the fan blade. Now assemble the motor as being shown here. Ensure that all the bolts are fixed tightly enough. Now fix the fan blade like this. Now fix the assembled motor on the shroud. Now open the box containing 4 pillars. Here 2 pillars are for the right hand side and other 2 are for the left hand side. Open the box containing the accessories. You need to draw a cutting mark for creating a hole for fixing the float valve. Now fix the float valve in this way. Fix the pillar on the shroud panel with the cable gland at the bottom. Fix all the pillars with the tank. These pillars are common. For fixing on the other side, you need to rotate the pillars upside down before fixing. Now attach the wire routing. Fix the capacitor. Take out the wire endings through the gland very carefully. Take the pipe and fix it with the pump. This is the cutting mark for fixing the drain plug. Attach the water distribution tray and now fix all the screws properly and tightly enough. Fix the top panel on the 4 pillars. Attach the pipe with water distribution tray. Now open the box containing the side panels. One by one, fix all the side panels with the cooler body. fix the anti-vibration support at the bottom. Congratulations! Your cooler is now ready to be installed.